everyone, I'm Deborah Fayrick. Alleged Florida gunman Nikolas Cruz is expected to appear in court shortly for a bond hearing. You're looking at a live picture from inside the Broward County Courthouse. It is his first court appearance. When that happens, of course, we will let you know live, and you can see a picture of him there in the orange, and the judge is about to address him. Let's listen in.
Are you Nikolas Jacob Cruz?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. You are charged with 17 counts of premeditated murder. I have something very important to tell you. You're charged with some very serious crimes. You have the right to remain silent. If you give up that right at any time during this hearing, whatever you say can and will be used against you in the prosecution of this case. State, how would you like to proceed today? Are you seeking to hold the defendant no bond and a finding of proof evident, presumption great?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you may proceed.
Your Honor, the state's relying on the sworn affidavit that the court has been provided as to the 17 counts of first-degree murder and the contents of the sworn affidavit by detectives citing the actions of the defendant in going to Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School on February 14th, 2018, with a premeditated design in that he went loaded with an AR-15 rifle. He had additional ammunition with him and shot 17 individuals who later died as a result of the gunshot wounds, and then he fled the scene. So the state is seeking a no bond hold on the defendant.
Okay, defense?
Your Honor, the defense has no arguments at this time and will defer until further court proceedings. We would formally invoke Mr. Cruz's right to remain silent, and that notification relates to any law enforcement agencies that are involved in this case, both at a state and federal level.
Okay, I've reviewed the probable cause affidavit. Mr. Cruz filed in your case, and I find probable cause. I further find the proof of guilt to be evident or the presumption great. Therefore, Mr. Cruz, you're going to be held without bond until further order of the court. This order is without prejudice for you to file a motion to set bond with your assigned division judge and request a hearing under State v. Arthur. Does anybody know, has he been assigned a division judge yet?
Yes, he has, Your Honor. He's been assigned to Judge Shears.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much. Sir, you're going to be held no bond.
And so you can see there, that was Nikolas Cruz at his first appearance. He is now being led out of the court under guard. The judge magistrate, Kim Teresa Malika, said that there is probable cause to hold him. He will not receive bond. He is being charged with 17 counts of first-degree murder, and that information from a sworn affidavit by sheriff's detectives who identified him as having an AR-15 rifle and who had brought additional ammo into the school. The judge magistrate saying that he shot 17 individuals who died of their wounds, and the defense for Nikolas Cruz, apparently he has now been given a lawyer. We don't know whether that is a public defender, but he has been given a lawyer, and that lawyer has said that he is going to invoke his right to remain silent. Therefore, he will not be answering any questions without legal counsel, it appears. That, according to the woman who was by his side, that he is invoking his right to remain silent. So he has now appeared before that judge. There will be further court hearings as he goes through the system and through the process. The sheriff earlier today saying that he was planning on making an airtight case against Nikolas Cruz. Those who are on the scene say that detectives and the FBI investigators have been putting a painstaking, detailed sort of account. They look through all the evidence and are building what they believe is a very solid case against Mr. Cruz, who we are told did appear on surveillance video.